All right, in this video, I'm going to be simplifying a into bracket 2 minus b minus 2 into bracket a minus b. Now, like I said in one of the videos, that when you are required to simplify an algebraic expression, what the question is telling you is to reduce it to the least term you can have. You understand? So the first thing we need to do here is to open this bracket. So if you open this bracket, a times 2 will give us what? 2a. Then a times minus b, that will give us what? Minus what? ab. Then here minus 2 times a, that will give us minus what? 2a. Then minus 2 times minus b, that will be what? Plus what? Plus 2b. Okay, so with what we have here, the next thing we need to do is to collect like terms. If you look at it, we have 2a here, we have 2a here, so we can say 2a minus 2a, then minus ab plus what? 2b. So 2a minus 2a, they cancel out. It's just like saying 1 minus 1. So we have minus ab plus what? Plus 2b. So I can rearrange this to give me what? 2b minus what? Minus what? ab. Well, this is the final answer. However, it can still be simplified further. How do I mean? B is here, B is here. I can factor B out. So I can still say B into bracket 2 minus what? A. How? B times 2, that's 2B. B times minus A, that will give us minus AB. So in case the answer is not presented in this form, this is correct. And this is also correct. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And most importantly, if you feel like supporting what we are doing, please check my about page to see the information on how to, support what we are doing. See you in the next video. Thank you.